Would you like to replace your job? Well, if so, stick with me. I will show you exactly how you can make a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day and get out of the 9 to 5 grind for good with a simple affiliate marketing opportunity. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I make money affiliate marketing full-time. I replaced my job over 20 years ago and I've never looked back. Today, I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer, thanks to what I'm going to share with you. I cannot overemphasize how cool the time freedom is. My wife Barbara and I feel like we are living our dreams. Recently, I posted a video on how to live your dream lifestyle. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. So whether you hate your job, you love your job but want more time freedom, or need to make more money, or maybe you are one of the many who have lost your job, this can be the solution you are looking for. Here's how you can replace your job just like I did, and again, you can do it working as little as 30 minutes a day. This affiliate marketing business is so simple. It's something almost anyone can do. Your previous experience does not matter. And by the way, if you're new to it, affiliate marketing just means that you market someone else's product or service and get paid. It's all done online at a schedule you choose. And that makes it easy to start now and do this while you are getting ready to quit your job. We market 4 high-demand products. All we do is send people to the company website. The company does everything else. And we get paid 80% commissions on every sale. 80%. You can make as much as $800 on each sale. It only takes 1 or 2 sales a week to build a full-time income. And this is critical, as in most online businesses, you'll have to make multiple sales every single day to make significant money. And realistically, most people can't do that, especially those just starting out. And the money here is even better, as 3 of the products pay us long-term recurring or passive income also. That's money that can keep coming in month after month from each sale you make without having to do any additional work. I love that. I know you will too. I really like getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds like in other businesses, no waiting for a check in the mail. You will have your own online marketing system to automate the process and leverage your time. And since this business is all done online, you can do it from just about wherever you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. And you can put the time in whenever you want, even if it's at 3 in the morning. Your marketing system will be just like the one I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. You'll have your own lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails to send out automatically. All of the techie stuff is done for you. You will not have to create anything. You can be up and running within the hour. This business comes with excellent training and support. Many new people start making money their very first day with us. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos. We hold daily live Zoom calls 6 times a week, led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. You will love our Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. It's a great online community. And when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. And I will share everything that has helped us be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell phone anytime you need help. So to learn more about how to replace a job with affiliate marketing and to start making money later today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.